Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing? I am so sure you are all doing very well and you're happy in all of your life endeavors. I am very grateful for your engagement in my YouTube channels. I want to thank you so much for your subscriptions and sharing with your contacts. Thank you for your comments and your likes, and keep doing that. It keeps me encouraged. Okay, so today let's talk about a very important topic that is very critical. Okay, and it's about how to know that you are ready to get married. Okay, so how do you know that? It's simple. Okay, you are certain that you are ready to take responsibilities. So let's talk about the first responsibility. Number one, you are ready to take responsibility to align your interests and your dreams in life with that of someone else. Okay, you are sure that whatever interest you have, whatever dream you have, it's something you can share with somebody. All right, without you having regrets about it, without you feeling you're being used, without you feeling you're being disadvantaged. All right, so once you are sure you are ready to align your interests, okay, to align your dreams with that of somebody that you never knew. All right, somebody that is not from the same family with yours, somebody you just met, okay, or somebody you are in a relationship with for a very long time, but you have decided, yes, I want to align my interest with this fellow. Then you are ready to get married. Second point, when you are ready to take responsibilities, all right, to make sacrifices, okay, to compromise, okay, not just trying to please yourself, but also taking some other person into consideration, all right, trying to feel for the person, trying to have empathy, okay, trying to bring out the best from this human being, trying to make the person better than you met him or her. If this becomes a priority and you are intentional about it, and you are doing this willingly, and of course it makes you happy to do these things, certainly you are ready to get married. The third point, you are ready to take responsibilities for your failure or mistakes and make it better. Okay, so what do I mean? When you fail or you make a mistake, all right, you are not pushing it over to somebody else. You are not playing the blame game. You are not trying to, make yourself, the righteous person. You are not trying to push, all right, the responsibility to somebody else, but you are taking responsibility awesomely that this is your mistake. You have failed in this area or aspect. However, you are willing to make conscious, deliberate effort to be better in that area, okay? To ensure that someone is happy with you. Then you are ready to get married. The fourth point, you are also ready to take responsibility for your success and to make it excellent. So what do I mean again? There could be something you are doing well, right, that is, contributing to, all right, the happiness of someone or the person you are with. Now, you are not taking advantage of that. You are not feeling you are doing the person a favor, all right, for being a good human being to the person. Rather, you are doing because you know you have a part to play, all right, in making that someone happy and becoming better. So you are succeeding in that area. So don't take advantage of it. However, what you need to do is to increase the capacity of whatever you are doing and become excellent in it. Not that you are doing the person a favor, but you are doing yourself a favor for becoming an excellent human being. Then you are ready to get married. Now the fifth point, you are in charge of your emotions. Now when we talk about emotions, we're talking about either you are happy or you are angry. Now, what negates situations and relationships is actually anger, right? So when you are sure that you are in charge of that kind of emotion, all right, you're able to control it, you're able to take charge, all right, to revise it, all right, to a positive kind of emotion, all right, you are ready to get married. Because what kills a lot of relationships is anger. Saying things out of anger, doing things out of anger. These are the things that causes breakup, all right, in relationships. And of course, as a human being, you will certainly be angry, all right? And someone could do something not knowing, all right, the impact of what he or she is doing, all right, to you. And you are angry about it. So you remember that you are of a different personality with that someone. And you are ready to take charge of your emotions so that when anger comes, you are able to control it, okay? And, turn it into a positive kind of emotion. Then you are ready to get married. And finally, you have the end in mind. Now listen, it's not about starting a relationship. It's about how the end will be. That relationship certainly will not end. That is, if you're talking about marriage, we don't pray for our marriages to end. But as you are stepping into it, as you about starting, you already have an imagination of how the end will be. And it is positive, right? So what you are doing is that when you have this imagination and you step into the marriage, you will now become intentional about achieving that successful end that you have already developed or imagined in your heart. So when you are at the stage wherein you're not thinking about just starting up a relationship or getting married, but you are already having a picture of how the end of it will be. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? The end is to succeed. The end is to enjoy it. The end is to make someone else happy. The end is to achieve greatness with somebody. The end is to make improvements in life with somebody as a companion. You have a lot of this in your heart and you make it work. So this is, the state that you are in that tells you or indicates that, of course, you are ready to get married. And for whomsoever you're in a relationship with, watch out for these indicators. If they are there, then you can proceed with the marriage proposal. And I am certain, and you are certain too, that the end will be success and happiness. I wish you all joy. Let's talk about other things next time. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. Goodbye, and I love you all. Bye.